Ricky, are those fish? Can you say fish?
Wait, how does a fish go?
Ricky, how does a fishy go?
That is warm.
Ricky. He's just way too excited.
Mom, now I want to go fish these.
Hey,
There's a big one.
Look, there's a big one. There's a big one right there. Right there. You see it?
please don't scare him, Tristan.
What are you going to do?
Almost stick your finger in the water. Look, there's a big
Ricky, how's the fish go? That's right, that's how the fishy goes. Do the fishy. There you go. Rylan, how's the fishy go?
He's doing it. Kristen, don't stick your finger in the water. You're scaring the fish.
Exactly.